Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a vertical process ladder using custom shapes in Photoshop. I start by opening Photoshop and setting a tall canvas. Then I draw long rectangle shapes stacked vertically. Now I connect them using thin line shapes. After that I add numbered circle shapes. Next I place short step text beside each level. Now I align everything centrally. Then I apply gradient shading. After that I add subtle shadows. Now progression feels clear. Then I zoom out to test flow. After that I refine spacing. Now it feels smooth. Finally I polish contrast and alignment. This process ladder now feels logical.